Hello and welcome. Welcome back to the channel. So let's get into today's video. It's going to be about GetResponse versus MailingBoss. Alright, so let's say, okay, what is GetResponse and what is MailingBoss? So today's going to be all about the two platforms and they're designed for emails, sending out emails. So if you ever want to do any affiliate marketing or you want to promote your own product or anything like that, you'll need to do something with emails, okay? Because that's generally, what's done. It's the way you get the people request information and you get that information to them. So it's very simple to do. So GetResponse is pretty huge, and MailingBoss you may not know of, but today I'm going to do a review on both those and go through both points. So let's have a quick look at GetResponse. Let's have a quick look now. So this is what the GetResponse page looks like, okay? And basically you've got these two things. It depends on the pricing level you're looking at. So for around about $15 a month is what I'm going to talk about. It's mainly just the email marketing platform. It does have a landing page. You don't have I don't think you even have more than one. You've only got one landing page to try out, and then the email marketing platform, which is pretty good. All this other stuff that they've got, it is for the higher levels and costs more. But we're just going to focus on the email marketing. So it's pretty cool. I'll go through some of the features of it. So let's have a quick look. Go back to here. All right, so some of the features, okay, so the first thing is the 1,000 email limit. So the $15 plan, you can only have a list of about 1,000, which is good to get started. So we're going to focus on that. The next thing is it can act as an autoresponder. There is and if you're not sure what that is, basically it is you set up a sequence of emails that goes to a subscriber when they subscribe up to, say, a newsletter or to get some information. So once they subscribe to you, then what happens is they get sent out those emails. It could be straight away, it could be 5 minutes after they subscribe, it could be tomorrow, it could be the next day. So that's what the autoresponder does, puts a sequence in there to automate that for you. The basic landing page, that's just a simple page builder, and it allows you to, you can put a form on it, so you could do like an opt-in, like a landing page, or you could build something else. But it's mainly used for opt-ins to put the form, and the form is where they fill out the details, and you encourage them to fill out the details to get the information they need. So that's essentially what the basic landing page does. Last time I checked, you're only allowed to have one of those. You need to upgrade to get more. So then you got the drag and drop email editor. Now the editor is very good. Essentially you've got different blocks, different areas that you can drag and drop. Very simple to use, very intuitive, very easy to understand to do that. It's probably one of the best drag and drop editors in the space. There's a few different ones I've tried. GetResponse is pretty good. So then you got analytics. Essentially, once you put the pixel, like the little tiny tracking in place, when the person might click on an email, they open it up, you can see whether they open it up. You can even see their email address and say this person's opened up, this email hasn't opened up that email. You can also see when they go to your website or any other location in your links. They can see if you click on the links. So it tells you all those percentages. It's got a really good analytics. It's got an A/B testing platform, so you can basically test one piece of text or one response, one email against another email, and you can send out some emails, maybe half the emails with one particular offer and the other half with a different offer. Okay, so that's what the A/B testing does. You've got lots of different forms that are already pre-done, so you can just drag the forms onto the screen and they're all ready to go. Then you've got this thing called perfect timing, and what that does is it allows it to go out at the best time for that person when they receive their emails. So you might send it out now at midnight, but the person's not going to open up their emails at midnight. So if you basically send it at the time that they're going to be on their emails, which they've GetResponse calculated, they know exactly when the majority of people are on their emails, and so they can send the email at that time. Because if you're actually in your inbox working in it and then the notification comes up, there's a good chance. But if you're asleep and the email comes in, it could be off the first page before you even get to see it. So that's a reason for perfect timing. Also, they have a bunch of email templates, so you can just choose all sorts of different email templates so change the structure of your email layout, which is pretty good. All right, so let's go on to the next one. All right, so let's have a quick look at just the rest of the page here. So as you can see, they do landing pages, but that's not in the $15 one. You essentially only get one page to try it out. And these other features that they've got are for the more higher price. So the marketing automation, the webinars, and as you can see here, the $15, basically the landing page, one user, and the autoresponder. And of course, they want you for the $50 per month, which gives you autoresponders, landing pages, we've got a webinar function, and some automation and a few other things. So that is basically GetResponse, and basically how it works. So it's a very good platform. So if you can certainly try out GetResponse and see what you like about it. It's definitely one of the ones, I've had some different ones, and GetResponse was one of my favorites. So that's pretty cool. So let's have a look at the next one. So the next one on my list is MailingBoss. Now you may not have heard of MailingBoss. It's sort of only been, I think, around for a couple of years. It hasn't been around all that long. I think GetResponse has been around longer. But this is pretty cool, what I'm going to tell you. Okay, so the first thing is you get unlimited emails. All right. So before, with the other one, you're looking at, basically, what was it? I'll just go back and check. Have a quick look. 1,000 emails. That's it. So basically, 1,000 emails is your limit, and that's what you pay your $15 for. Now, how exciting is this? You basically pay $50 and you get unlimited emails. So that's pretty incredible. This autoresponder has got all the autoresponder functions built in. It's got a drag and drop email editor. Now it does have drag and drop. I wouldn't say as good as GetResponse. GetResponse has got, I would say, more blocks that you can choose from, and you can drag and drop. So they've got different sections and different elements you can drag. And certainly MailingBoss does not have, it's not as intuitive with that drag and drop. So definitely GetResponse wins on a better interface for the drag and drop. But at the same time, the MailingBoss drop is very simple to work with. And once you get to learn how it works, then you can start producing some pretty good stuff. So then you've got analytics. It has got all the analytics built in. I would say not as good as GetResponse, but pretty good. It definitely tells you the most important things like your opens, your click-throughs, for both right down to an individual person, like a subscriber, as also the overview for that list as well. It's got A/B testing. You can do all sorts of forms, and it has that built function into it. And also a lot of email templates. You can actually already take templates that are already done, and also what they have, like sections or blocks that you can actually drag those blocks over and start building up your email. So the plus you can make your own templates just like you can in GetResponse and save them. It's got a subscribe activity log, which basically tells you about the subscriber and what they've done. It's got smart segmenting, so you can actually send out to segments in the list. Let's say this person has been active, or this person has clicked on this link. You can then make the emails go to that rather than someone else. So that's what that does. You can do personalization, so you can put in. You can do this with GetResponse, and it has also extra information. So you can do, it's like a mail merge. You can do the email. So you can say Dear Fred or Dear John, and that sort of information can come through. It's got subscription forms, so you can have the form fill out on the screen. It's got suppression lists, statistics and reports. You've got custom fields. It has list synchronization. I haven't used that yet, but you can synchronize your lists with other external platforms. And subscriber preference area, so people can actually log into their own profile and change their preferences for being a subscriber. Email for notifications, WebHook Integration, smart behaviors, email requesting, processing, email wizard, and email template engine. More personalization, scheduled email delivery, so you can choose when the email is going to get done. A/B split testing. Also, it has all the campaigns that you send out. You can actually see the web version of that. I think GetResponse has that too. It has a built-in social sharing function, Google Analytics integration, remote content fetching from RSS feeds, email campaign performance comparison. Also, you've got image embedded email delivery. So this is a tricky one because sometimes you're with or without images, and that can be tricky. So this one, you can get images into the email and successfully as well. It's got the autoresponders. It's got unlimited autoresponder series. So you can make it, 1 email, 10 emails, or 100 emails. You've just got to put them in there. It's got trigger based on subscriber activity. So different things, triggers that subscribers do, can cause it then to send them an email. It's got date triggers. So on a particular date, send an email. The interface is pretty easy to use. Once you watch a few videos, you understand how it works. You've got subscriber lists, so you can see all your different lists. It's a lifetime account, unlimited subscribers, unlimited email sending. Deliverability is good. You just need to make sure you verify your domain, just like as you would with GetResponse. And then you've got private Facebook group access. So that's basically the overall between the two of them. Okay, now I would say MailingBoss, and we'll go back to the differences in prices. $15 a month is what you're paying for GetResponse, and MailingBoss is a once only $50. That's it. So you pay $50, you've got access to all that. Now I've got MailingBoss, and it rocks. It works. It's better than paying, that $15 a month, or paying $50 or $150, because once your list starts getting up higher, you got to pay higher and higher amounts. The good thing about the MailingBoss, you pay that $50 once, you've got it for lifetime of for those emails. So it's pretty exciting. All right, so the winner is a MailingBoss by a long shot. Now what I've done, I've also put a bonus. I'm going to give you a bonus with this, guys. So what I've done is I've got 30 high converting email sequences that can be used to sell any product. Right now, these have been tested. These convert. These are pretty amazing converting email sequence. So basically, if you have a product or service, you can either take some or all the ones that you feel fit to change, and you can take that and you can basically apply it straight away to a product or something that you're interested in selling right now. So this is the bonus I'm going to give. I'm going to put a link below. So if you're interested in getting MailingBoss, I've got a link below, and you'll get this bonus as well, which is this high converting email sequence. And it's not just like 1 day or 2 emails, and they're not crap emails or anything like that. We're talking professionally done by a copywriter. 30 days, you get 30 emails, and they're done to get opens and people to click through. That's what they're designed to do. So they work really well. I've tested them out. They're fantastic. Okay, so that's what the bonus you're going to get, and all you got to do is check out the link. I've got the link. I'll put it in the description below. And now this is for a limited time. I can't guarantee how long this is going to be. This could finish tomorrow or the next day. This is just a limited time thing, and not sure what's going to happen after that, whether they're going to go to monthly or not. But at the moment, it is $50. That's all you pay once, $50. So check it out. Click the link below. Have a look at the information, and I've got just so you can see it here. This is what the page looks like when you get here. You can watch a demo video up here. It goes through all the different things, and you can go through all the information, all the features. You can check all that stuff out there for yourselves. And of course, here's all the information. Basically, one-time $50 payment. You get access to it, unlimited subscribers sending, for all the full features, video training, templates, everything like that. And of course, basically this is just the best way to get started if you don't want to be paying huge amounts for something like GetResponse. And honestly, you don't last long on the $15 plan. You end up having to upgrade to the higher one because you'll reach that limit sooner or later. Okay, so I just thought I'd share that with you today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any comments, comment below. If you're a new subscriber, or if you're new to the videos, just subscribe to the channel. All you do is hit the subscribe button down below, and also this little bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you can get live notifications of that as well. So yeah, if you're watching this video on Facebook, just hit the like and subscribe, that way, and put some comments in there. Actually, if you're on Facebook and you see this video, I put #replay. That would be fantastic. Alright, so I think I've covered it today. I'll drop that link below. If you've got any other questions, hit me up. But man, I'm so excited about this. This is amazing for $50. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.